The stamp an unidentified figure in the shadows. The stamp an unidentified figure in the shadows. Rape lie 71 crazy scientist yells about genesis of life. Rape lie 71 crazy scientist yells about genesis of life. Narconon drug rehabilitation, little girls find dead sister. Narconon is the name given to Scientology drug rehabilitation centers all over the world. In aligning with their other drug PSA, this Narconon-specific spot has a mother making breakfast while a very worn-down and rough-looking teenager snorts cocaine in the bathroom. Suddenly there's a younger sister, gleefully playing in the kitchen before being sent to grab her older sister for breakfast. Just like that, the audience is watching a little girl attempt to wake up her overdosed sibling. Watch the commercial here. Life sexualized lollipop licking. First airing on June 16, 2009, the Scientology ad for Life is a mishmash of random things flashing across the screen as a voiceover names or describes them all. Money, love, secrets, traffic, heroes, and then licking and tasting accompanied by this image. Every other frame of the ad is strange. Then the very close image of a female licking a lollipop appears and pushes it all to Creepville. Watch the commercial here. How we help moral education materials. Highlighting what the Church refers to as its humanitarian and social programs, this commercial aired during the Grammy Awards in February 2016. Statistics flash across the screen about the number of people in the world. It then dishes out a bunch of numbers of people Scientology claims to have helped. They have helped folks to learn more about their rights, the facts about drugs, and have provided moral education materials. Notice how moral is in a much lighter and smaller font than the rest of the declaration. It feels like a small and evil wink. More importantly, think about how creepy it is that Scientology is promoting their agenda via materials they tout as educational. Watch the commercial here. Candace Downing, who's next? Candace Downing is a girl shown in a home video blowing kisses to camera with people that are likely her parents. A text over the video says she is 12 years old and she was prescribed antidepressants. The video then reveals the cause of Candace's death was suicide by hanging. They then plug in a statistic saying antidepressants have caused an estimated 63,000 deaths, and then ask the question, who's next? The ad is horrifying for a myriad of reasons, but the scariest thing about this spot is how it misconstrues statistics, monopolizes on a family's tragedy, and employs fear-mongering tactics in an attempt to get the viewer interested in Scientology. Watch the commercial here. Scientology invites you to freedom claims of immortality. Scientology invites you to freedom claims of immortality. Prescription: a child holds a gun to his head. Prescription: a child holds a gun to his head.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.